Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Today it is the lecture number 7 of unit gravitation. And we are discussing the variation of acceleration due to gravity with depth. अब इससे पहले हमने देखा था कि when we move above the surface of earth, जब हम जमीन की सतह से ऊपर जाते हैं तो value of g change, it is reduced, it is decreased, and we have derived the expression for the reduced value. Now here what we are going to discuss, that's when we move towards the center of earth. जब हम towards the center of earth जाएंगे तो value of acceleration due to gravity को क्या होगा? What will happen to the value of g when we move from the surface of earth towards its center, when we move some depth below the surface of earth? ठीक है ना. आज हमारा क्वेश्चन, वी नो द वैल्यू ऑफ एक्सेलरेशन ड्यू टू ग्रेविटी एट द सरफेस ऑफ अर्थ. वी हैव टू डिराइव द एक्सप्रेशन. हाउ कैन वी कैलकुलेट व्हाट विल हैपन टू द वैल्यू ऑफ जी व्हेन वी मूव टुवर्ड्स द सेंटर ऑफ अर्थ. एंड अब क्वेश्चन ये है कि वी नो वैल्यू ऑफ जी एट द सरफेस ऑफ अर्थ. तो वो आता है दैट इज g इज इक्वल टू gm डिवाइड बाय r स्क्वायर, where we will consider earth to be a sphere of radius r. हमने अर्थ को स्फीयर लिया है जिसका रेडियस r है. अब इसमें हमने क्या किया है, इसमें हमने एक ऑब्जेक्ट पहले सरफेस, ये पूरा रेडियस है, दैट मीन्स यहाँ से यहाँ तक और रेडियस है इसका सेंटर तक, और अब इसमें से हम d नीचे आ गए, यहाँ तक आ गए. अब हमें इस जगह पर वैल्यू ऑफ g निकालना है, जो हमने एक ऑब्जेक्ट लिया यहाँ पर डेप्थ d. And you know why g is the gravitational constant, universal, m is the mass of earth, and r is the radius of earth. We know the mass is equal to mass m is equal to volume into density. अब मास जो होता है वो वॉल्यूम इनटू डेंसिटी होता है. अब अगर हम इसको कन्वर्ट करेंगे तो मास इज इक्वल टू m इज इक्वल टू वॉल्यूम होता है, इट्स कंसीडर्ड एज अ स्फीयर, दैट्स 4/3 पाई r cube into rho is the density. So put this in this, so g will be equal to m is 4/3 pi r cube rho divided by r square. So इसमें से स्क्वायर इसमें ये कैंसल, so g is equal to 4/3 pi g, और ये इसमें से r and rho. This is the value of g at the surface of earth, taking the density and radius under consideration. Now we will the value of g at depth d, when we move depth d, value of g, now value of g at a, that is at depth d from the surface. अब हम यहां पर देखेंगे वैल्यू ऑफ जी. जब हम नीचे जाए d गए तो सेंटर से अब ये इस यहां तक r माइनस d डिस्टेंस, तो दैट विल बी gd will be equal to अब 4/3, similarly 4/3 pi g, and this will be r minus d. तो यहां पर रेडियस था r जब ये सरफेस पे था, अब यहां पर है, यहां पर रेडियस है r minus d, तो रो सेम रहेगा. Now what we have to do, we will divide the two things. That means we have to divide the two equations. This is equation second, On dividing the two equations, we will get, so we will get GD divided by G. So GD divided by G, GD का value, that's 4 by 3 pi capital G R minus D into rho 4 by 3 pi G R rho. तो ये कैंसर, ये कैंसर, ये कैंसर और ये GD divided by G will be equal to R minus D divided by R. So it's very easy. So what will happen? GD is equal to G into R divided by R minus D divided by R. That's 1. GD G into 1 minus D divided by R. So this is the value of G when we move below the surface or when we move towards the center of Earth. So this means GD will be equal to G into dG divided by R. This amount of value is decreased. Up at the surface, this D is 0, so this term will become 0. So at the surface D is 0, so this term will become 0. GD will be equal to G. When D is 0, at the surface D is equal to G. तो अब जितना हम नीचे जा रहे हैं ये वाला फैक्टर डिक्रीज हो रहा है, ये वाला फैक्टर इंक्रीज हो रहा है, क्योंकि दिस इज मल्टीप्लाइड बाय डी. तो जितना डी ज्यादा नीचे जाएंगे तो at the center of Earth, so what will happen to that the center of Earth? So here you will put d is equal to r. So 1 d is r divided by r हो गया 1 minus 1 g into 0. That g at the center of Earth, value of g will be 0. Value of, because d is equal to r at the center of Earth. So when we will reach to the center of Earth, d will be equal to r, d divided by r. So r divided by r and r cancel, g minus 0, that's 0. So value of g will be 0 at the center of Earth, and also the value of g is decreased this factor by this factor dg divided by r. So how much value will be decreased? So g minus gd is equal to dg divided by r. This is amount of decrease. This is the decreased value of g. This is the amount of decrease. अब आपको फ्रैक्शनल डिक्रीज अगर निकालनी हो, फ्रैक्शनल डिक्रीज और परसेंटेज डिक्रीज, तो इजीली निकाल सकते हो. फ्रैक्शनल डिक्रीज, so g minus gd divided by g, इसको इस g से, that is g divided by r. And percentage decrease, so that is equal to g minus gd divided by g into 100, that is g divided by r into 100. This will give you the percentage decrease. So percentage decrease, that is g divided by r into 100. This is the percentage decrease in the value of g. This is the fractional decrease in the value of g. And this is the amount of d, how much, by how much amount value of g will decrease, that dg divided by r. And this is the general formula for calculating the how much will be the value of g will be decreased when. This means when we move down to the surface of value g, and when d is equal to r at the center of Earth, the value of g becomes 0. This was all about today's lecture. Stay connected and watch the upcoming lectures. Thanks.